Hey guys, good morning. It is very windy today, and today I'll be starting my duty at 12 o'clock. The time now is 11:30. I still have 30 minutes to relax a bit and then start my duty. Yeah, today is special because I'm working in the night. There is a function and me and the other guy will be working for that function. Because there is a new guy working in the brake pass, so the three of us are now three, and this guy is a trainee? No, apprentice. An Australian guy, young guy, apprentice. So at the moment he and the other lady is working in the brake pass. Oh, I think we should stay there a little bit. Our executive chef will be working today in another place. That is why I'm the replacement to work in the function today. Executive chef here in Australia are also working in the kitchen, like preparing the food, things like that. Normally in other country, like in Dubai, most of the executive chefs, they are just working for management, like planning, visiting the outlet, checking the food, recipe, scheduling, things like that. But here they are having their own station. Like my executive chef here, he is working mostly in the function, and he's preparing his own food for the group, for the function. He's just asking some help to the other guys, which is good afternoon, guys. We are going to walk today, and we're going to Salamander Shopping Center. Maybe we're going to eat in McDonald's or KFC, and we'll just walk around the Kmart. It's rainy this morning. Just like a few moments ago, like an hour ago, when the rain stopped, and it is now like this blue sky, some clouds. And I actually did my laundry today. I put the laundry this morning. I wake up early, like 4 o'clock. And I put my laundry outside. The bus. So basically there are two buses that are going here. One is the 223, and the other one is 323, and the other one is 350. That is why I need to run to catch this bus. I was very thirsty when I ran. That's why I decided to come here McDonald's to eat first. This is a chicken nuggets and one burger and soft drinks, and later on we're going to go there. Sorry, thank you. So I just ate in McDonald's. It's a burger, the soft drinks, and the chicken nuggets. So basically, coming from home, I was walking, and then this Filipino guy saw me, and he speak to me. He's telling me about the house that was burned last week. Because it was in the front of his house. And so I was running that time and need to catch the 3:23 bus. Yeah, that's why you see me running. And now I'm here. Yeah, so now I'm here in Kmart, just walking around. I'm actually looking for an office chair for, you know, for my working table. They have just only this thing. Yeah, this is not what I need. I've seen something like that here before, but they don't have here anymore. Look at this blender. It's very small. It's 600 ml. Yeah, I don't need this, but you know, sometimes when I'm at home, I'm thinking of making a puree or juice or, you know, something like that. Yeah, so I'm going to take it. This is just $20. Yeah, let me show you this. You know, the jogging pants that I'm wearing is this one. Look, that one is $20. Nice. There is another version, nicer looking, nice color, but I think it's sold out. I don't see it here around. Yeah, this is a sushi bar. I thought they are making the sushi by manual. They have a machine to do the sushi. I bought a new earphone. This is a fake earphone imitation, and this is the third one that I bought. Yeah, the previous two are all broken, and now I'm using this. I think it's good because it is in the box, and it's still a little, in this one is also a little expensive than the previous two. You know, here in Australia they have this return and earn station where you can, yeah, like these people, they are putting their bottles and soft drinks in can and cartoons to put there, and in return they will get money from that. Yeah, that's the way of recycling mine. Nice. You know, I don't have internet this time because I forgot my pocket Wi-Fi. Yeah, so I cannot check what time is the bus. Yeah, that bus is going to Anna Bay and not going to Nelson Bay. So I decided we're just going to work. The time now is 4:30, and by 5 o'clock or a little when it gets dark, we'll be at home. This looks like going to be a gasoline or petrol station. The way it is designed is something like that. Yeah, I also went to the gym. I gave back my access card. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to wait for the bus. I don't know what time is it coming, or just walk. If I walk, it is going to be very cold. Yeah, according to this, the bus will be passing by 5:52, almost 6 o'clock. I don't want to wait that long. We'll be walking line. Look at this construction. It looks like just wood, but actually there is some metal, some iron together with a base. You know, my Filipino colleague, he used to stay in this house. Yeah, because you know, when he arrived here in Australia, he didn't able to stay in the hotel because it was busy. So the company let him stay here for 1 month. Yeah, and then during that 1 month, he searched for an apartment around the area. And then the other colleague that I have, the Sri Lankan one, he used to stay in our hotel because when he arrived here in Australia, it is not busy. So the company let him stay in the hotels because, you know, my Filipino colleague is hired directly from the Philippines, and also the Sri Lankan guy, both of them are hired from their country. And me, I am hired here in Australia, so I didn't they didn't provide an accommodation for me for the first stay in this place. When you were lonely, when you needed me to be there. Exactly.